Hello everyone, I'm Rose and welcome to Rouge of Rose. For today's video, I decided that I want to do a couple of videos on the most worn color combinations for Eid. I asked you on Instagram to give me your favorite color combinations and I'll ask you again, make sure to comment them down below. For today's look, I am going to use the color combination that was suggested the most, blue and silver/white. I really love that color combination and I have been wondering about doing something like that anyways. I don't really have any look in my mind yet, so I'm going to just go with the flow and see what comes out. But before we get to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on to get updated every time I post. I am so close to 100 subscribers and you have no idea how much your subscription would mean to me. Now without any further yapping, let's get to the video. First up, for the transition shade, I'm going to take a mixture of these two shades right here. Taking this right in the crease. Next, I'm going to take this indigo shade right here and smoke out the outer corner. Next, I'm going to take this bright blue right here and stamp this on right next to that indigo, keeping enough space to go in with the silver right in the inner part of my lid. Now for the rest of the lid, I'm going to take this bright metallic silver, blending out the edges of the silver. For the lower lash line, first up going in with the indigo shade. Underneath this, going in with the bright blue. Some white liner to the waterline. Now to really bring this look together, I'm going to put the small glitter streak across my crease right above the silver. Adding in a liner. Time for some inner corner brow bone highlight. Whenever I'm putting on my inner corner highlight, I like to kind of bring it down to the beginning of my lower lash line and like smudge it out a bit. I really like how it looks. And this is my look all complete. This look is actually very simple and quick, but it looks like you have done a lot and it is perfect for Eid. I really want to do a few more of these Eid makeup idea videos, so please let me know what kind of color combination or makeup looks you want to see next. If you like this video, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to comment down below what kind of makeup look you want to see next. I try to post new videos every week, of course, unless my life is a mess. So to stay updated about my next uploads, make sure to click the notification bell. Also, follow me on all of my socials. It's all linked down in the description below. And if you end up recreating this look, then make sure to tag me on my Instagram at rouge.of.rose. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Always remember to take care of yourself and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!